Say bottles and then you say.
I said I don't want to do it.
You just say bottles.
I don't want to say.
Say.
Oh, I'm
just say bottles, then we go cut them, keke. Just say bottles.
I don't want to say bottles.
Then we don't go stop.
2 minutes. You see?
Just say bottles.
I said I don't want to say bottles.
Welcome to Chale, What Happened? It's still your man, Staga. Today on this episode, we get somebody very, very, very special for you.
Yes.
Make I just tell you something small before we start. I don't know whether this person she be Nigerian or she be Ghanaian. She says she's from Nigeria, but she dey talk chi.
No man.
Yeah, so I have the one and only BEFE.
Yeah.
From BEFE Space. She has joined us today. We're going to have some very fun and interesting conversation. You know what, Miss Sam? Okay. So just stay tuned. We will come back right now. Yeah, so welcome back. We are still here with BEFE. We can dive straight into today's conversation. BEFE, welcome.
Thank you.
Straight. But your hair, it be all you call them.
Toes.
Who told you call them in toes? How you know it's in toes?
In toes, you know be toes.
What be the meaning of in toes?
Tomatoes. You know be toes.
How long have you been in Ghana?
I have 2 answers to that.
Okay.
At least, I think when I came the first time, I stayed for about 5 years. 5 years. So for this second time, I've been in Ghana for a year plus. I just hit 1 year.
So you've experienced Ghana for like a total of like 6 years?
Yeah, 6 going to 7.
When did you learn about intos?
Which kind of question? Intos.
All the 6 years that you've experienced.
I go to market all the time. I'm a cook. So definitely I will know intos.
And you know that this hairstyle is called intos?
Yes, because it looks like tomatoes.
In Nigeria, what do you call this hairstyle?
Oh, I don't know. It's not like I know that this hairstyle is called intos. It's someone that said it. That it's called intos. Like it looks like intos. In Nigeria, I can say big puff puff. Staggering you.
Okay. So let me just ask you about your experience in Ghana.
Okay.
When you came to Ghana, what are some of the challenges you had to face?
When I came the first time, I wouldn't say I faced a lot of challenges because then it was just about school, my studies, so not a lot of challenges. So it was just school, house, church. And that time I didn't face a lot of challenges, but now I think the major challenge I'm facing now is challenge of accommodation. Like looking for an apartment as in Nigerian.
Oh.
Even today as I'm talking to you, there's a house I was supposed to go and see, and the landlord said no Nigeria.
Yeah. Okay, and you didn't have a language barrier as a challenge as you came Ghana?
For the first time, no. Because my friends and almost everybody I interacted with them were Nigerians. In my class, we were all Nigerian. We just had few Francophones.
Oh, okay.
So my friends, all Nigerian. I don't think I had a lot of Ghanaian friends. But now, I wouldn't say it's a challenge because I'm trying to learn. In fact, the little tree I can speak now is what I learned.
The tree they talk, they bore me. and you realize you keep saying the first time. Nigerians and Kasana. The first time. It is first. Say first. First.
So I want to start.
Or first.
No, you want to turn this channel. This channel now to English class.
No, it's okay.
If you want to come and say you can speak English more than Nigerians,
these are not my words.
We should start.
These are not my words.
Jai.
Okay, you are saying you are facing challenges with accommodation. The landlords and the landladies are saying they don't want any Nigerian.
Yes.
Did they give you any reason?
And some of them said like Nigerians, when they come to their houses, spoil things and all that. That's what I mostly hear.
I see. Okay. I don't know if this is something that any Nigerian in Ghana has been experiencing, but I'm hearing it for the first time though. Yeah.
I've been hearing it from Nigerians. You know, even when I was in school, then I do hear it from Nigerians, and because I didn't experience it, I didn't know how intense it was up until now.
But back in Nigeria, is it the same situation if Ghanaians come to Nigeria?
No,
is it the same situation?
It's not.
Are you sure? You know, people we do it, Ghana must go.
You want to bring that matter?
You know, people do it.
It's you people that chased us first. You know, I wouldn't even blame the Ghanaians that say, "Oh, they don't want Nigerians in their house." Probably the people they encountered. You see, Nigeria is a very big country. The only issue I will have with them is that you can't judge a particular country or the whole country with just few people you have encountered. I would say I've not really encountered anything bad with Ghana. It's not like I've not seen bad people that have bad character or something like that, but I'm not going to judge the whole Ghana based on the relationship I had with one or two persons. Do you understand? I still believe that Ghanaians are accommodating. It's still a Ghanaian that will give me accommodation. I do not be so.
Anyway, okay, moving on from that. What be your favorite Ghanaian food?
Tilapia and banku.
Banku and tilapia.
Tilapia and banku, because it's the tilapia that is the main thing here.
It's okay. So your favorite Ghanaian dish is tilapia and banku.
Tilapia and banku, or banku and tilapia.
Can you prepare it yourself?
Oh yes.
If you do banku?
I can do banku, but you see that I'll do it on gas rather.
You can't do on coal pot.
Chale.
Anyway, so BEFE space. How did you come up with the idea? What informed the name, your YouTube channel BEFE Space? Why did you choose BEFE Space?
First off, BEFE is my name.
Okay.
So I anything that I want to do, especially when it comes to my business, I love to use my name to brand it. And then I added a space because like that's my corner for me. Okay. So when you come to that channel, that's about my space. Just like if you have a house, that's your space. Okay. So that YouTube channel, that particular channel is my space, and I'm welcoming you all to my space. I will choose what comes into my space and what doesn't come into my space. So I would have just said BEFE or just my full name, but I decided to add space to tell you that it is my kaba.
BEFE.
Yes.
Does it have a meaning?
Yeah, victory.
What does it mean? Victory. What language is it?
My local dialect.
What language is it? What is
my local dialect? Ogoni.
Ogoni?
Yeah.
Because of your learn Ogoni.
You know go learn. You know fit.
How do you say how are you in Ogoni?
You know go learn.
How do you say how are you in Ogoni?
I won't tell you. You want to learn.
If you like to know.
He's paying you. Go to Ogoni land.
Who will teach you?
Me teach you.
Hey, God. Hey. Why a chill cheap? Atija.
You want me to continue speaking, but
Atija,
Mobwa.
It's okay. You teach me one Ogoni, something in Ogoni.
What? What should I teach you? Say Ekparua. You think it's true that you say it? No, you want to learn. Say Ekparua.
Hey, Charlie.
Hey. Say A.
Hey. A.
Pa.
Pa. First of all, what does it mean? Before I just say it, maybe somebody insults somebody.
Oh, how are you?
Ekparua.
You see?
Ekparua.
Do you know to pronounce she? Some people can't. Some foreigners cannot pronounce it.
They'll say she.
So if someone can have the tongue to pronounce it, to you it's easy because it's your
Some people say tui.
So if I can pronounce she, you should know I'm good.
Ekparua.
You got it now.
So if I meet anybody, I can say Ekparua.
Yes.
How would the person respond?
Delay. Delay. No, You think it's easy to learn language? Say it. Delay.
Delay. Delay.
Delay.
Delay. Means say you delay.
This guy. I'm fine.
Yeah, fine. Delay. Ekparua. Delay.
You see, to learn language is not easy. So when
easy.
next you see a foreigner,
easy. That's how you've learned Chile. Like
when
that.
next you see a foreigner learning the language.
Can you sing any Chile song?
Yes.
Which song?
Ohini.
Sing it.
How much are you going to pay me? Because this is not easy.
It'll be easy if
you can sing, but you back me up. If you know the song, back
I don't even know
if
the
you're
song.
truly a Ghanaian,
I'm a Ghanaian, doesn't mean I have to know every song.
No, if a foreigner.
No, it's in your interest to learn it because you want to prove a point.
See, no, I'm not proving any point. If you can back me up in this song, I'll know that truly, that guy.
Sing a song that you cannot sing.
How will I know you can?
Maybe probably that's the easiest song for you to learn.
No,
sing it. You sing.
It's not an easy song. Ohine, Yeshirao. Do you know the song?
I know the song.
Back me. Yeah, true. Hey. Asungehine.
Wait, do you understand what you are singing?
I know what I'm saying. Why cry, no see tell.
Who taught you all
Why
these things?
cry, no see tell. Hey, why cry, no see tell.
In fact, this is the final test to prove that.
Yes, way. Very forever. Don't try. Don't.
Do you know what? Just what you just said. What does it mean?
No, is this thing I don't like?
Like I don't understand how. You know, I can learn a Nigerian song, but I don't even know what it means.
Yeah, okay, I don't know what. Ohine Yeshira.
What is the meaning of Ohine? Ohine.
Like king. Yeshira will thank you.
Yeah.
Medase.
Yeah, Utichi. I give up.
He didn't pay you, but it's okay. I understand how you feel. I just pray it doesn't give you any heart.
Oh, don't worry. Delay. I'm fine. Delay. I'm fine. No. I'm okay. You think they are they what's it? Is it Ogoni? Ogoni, right? That's what you said the language is. Delay. I'm fine with everything you're doing.
Delay. You are doing as if you are not fine.
Still on your experience in Ghana.
Yeah.
What is one thing that you'd say is very different? I mean, in terms of lifestyle, if you had to compare Nigeria and Ghana.
I would say Ghanaians are very calm people. I wouldn't say all in a positive light.
Okay.
Right? So I would say it has the advantage and the disadvantage. Ghanaians naturally are very cool, even the way people talk. You know, they take their time to even pronounce every word. You know, you wouldn't know until you enter Lagos.
Nigeria.
You understand?
Everything fast.
Yeah. You wouldn't know. For me, I didn't know that Nigerians are that way until I came to Ghana. I realized it's like we say things.
Why are you people okay?
We are very fine.
Are you sure? So why you speed everything? Why?
Yeah, because time, Abba.
Time, Abba.
Time. Is it Abba or it's not there?
Actually no. I almost thought you were speaking Ogoni or what? We catch you. Finally, we catch you.
Time, no day.
Time, no day.
Yeah, but you know, the Ghanaians are more calm and all that. It's good, you know, when you're a calm person, but it also has its downside. I think it also affects them in maybe business. It also affects them. So yeah, I think Ghanaians are very calm compared to Nigerians. Yeah, that's one thing I really observed.
And do you like the fact that Ghanaians are calm?
I love the positive side, you know, but for the other side, I don't.
What other side?
It's as if they are so content with what they have. Like,
Is contentment a bad thing?
No. If you're a business, let's even forget business. In life, you should always aim to grow.
So what did you want to talk? Be say Ghanaians know they push. If they reach some level, then be like, okay, they don't push beyond that level.
I wouldn't say all Ghanaians. Don't misquote me.
But you are comparing Ghanaians and Nigerians.
I wouldn't say all Ghanaians, but let's take it down to. I said this on my channel some time ago when I was talking about the diversity of culture between Nigeria and Ghana. Okay. And you go to an average Ghanaian shop. Like you see the shop that they sell to not tomatoes, let's use provision. Okay. For instance, a normal shop on our street. And you see the person so relaxed. The person doesn't care. What do you want? He's there. As if the person doesn't care if
because the person gets the market regardless. They know they'll get the market, so they are not really bothered.
But that's not how it's supposed to be.
No, it depends. If the person is a hawker on the streets, you know the energy is different. Then you chase structure or...
I know. Exactly. But even if you are seated, if you go to a Nigerian shop, I don't know, for Nigerian shops in Ghana, if you go to Nigeria, you enter the market to buy something.
Then they call you, everybody
they call you. You buy what you didn't want to buy. Because someone will convince you that this shoe that is 38 and your leg is 40, this shoe is your size. No, I'm just talking about the positive aspects. Like if you take in that energy into business,
like the hustle energy is there in Nigeria.
Yes, but I think Ghanaians are a bit too relaxed on that, and even sometimes it affects the customers. So imagine if a customer walks into a shop, wants to buy something, and then the reception is not there. It's as if me and you. Sometimes I go to a shop, I say, "Madam, smile now, smile." Like I even try to make.
But
the seller.
I get you. But it's not every Ghanaian though.
No, not every Ghanaian.
Some Ghanaians are also very persuasive.
Not every Ghanaian.
And I'm sure there are Nigerians who are also very dull, you know.
Yes.
But I mean, maybe most... Okay, so I understand your point. Okay, so Ghana Jollof or Nigeria Jollof?
Nigerian Jollof, thank you very much.
You know Nigeria Jollof is not nice.
Say so. When did you eat it?
I've eaten Nigerian Jollof before. It wasn't nice. A Nigerian. That's all you need to know.
Now let me tell you something.
It's okay.
No. I will say this. No. I'm a cook. First off, let me re-answer that question.
All right.
The first time I was...
No, you are being biased because you're Nigerian.
No, wait. That's why I said, let me re-answer the question. First time I answered it based on sentiment. Now I'm going to answer it the proper way.
If you answered it based on sentiment, that's all we need to know.
No. This is the real answer. Nigerian Jollof or Ghana Jollof. And my answer is, it's based on who is cooking it or who cooks the rice. I have eaten Nigerian Jollof. Sorry, let me say Ghana. I've eaten Ghanaian Jollof that's is quack. I've also eaten Ghanaian Jollof that is like, Jonathan, like top notch. I've also eaten Nigerian Jollof that I'm like, who did this? I've also eaten Nigerian Jollof that I like.
You know Jollof. We started cook Jollof before you people.
You people just want to. Why is this issue an issue?
It's okay.
Why is it an issue? Let me tell you the main difference. Let me tell you the main difference between Nigerian Jollof and Ghana Jollof for those that can cook. The texture of the rice.
Okay.
Nigerian rice, they are like big, tougher to cook, and then the Ghanaian rice are like smaller and more tender.
Okay.
So for me, when I came to Ghana the first time, I found it difficult cooking the Ghanaian rice because if I want to use the quantity of water I would use for a Nigerian rice, for a Ghanaian rice, I'm going to mess everything up. So I started learning how to handle the Ghanaian rice. So if you want to use the same method, I mean quantity of water and all of that. When I look at the method, I'm watching people cook now. Cook your jollof, it's the same thing.
But it's still better than that. That's what you don't understand. Anyway, Ghana men or Nigerian men?
When it comes to men, it all depends on individuals.
You just choose.
I can't choose.
You can't choose.
We have amazing Nigerian
just
men.
Choose.
I can't choose. Oh, I said I can't choose la.
Why can't you choose?
I can't can't choose because it all depends on the individual. I'm gonna say Nigerian men are better. Are there no bad men?
What are you scared of?
Ghanaian men are better. Are there no?
You should be able to. You've been able to tell us that Nigerian jollof is solid, but you can't choose between Nigerian men and Ghanaian men.
With character, so.
But the rice to get character, in texture and everything, it affects everything.
Now make I say it all depends on who is preparing it. So it depends on you and the person. I think you should ask a Ghanaian lady that.
Oh, it's okay.
You know the answer, right?
Ghana girls and guys, I won't pay Ghana guys. Okay, yes. And do you have friends in Ghana?
No, do I even have friends in Ghana?
You don't have friends in Ghana?
I don't. All my friends are in Nigeria. The friends I made when I was in.
You don't have friends in Ghana?
I don't. You are my.
No, you are not my friend. Don't even say you are my friend. But you don't have friends in Ghana.
But I don't have friends. Seriously. I only have.
You've experienced Ghana for 6 years.
That's what I'm telling you. If you
left Nigeria to come and make Nigerian friends in Ghana. Is that how you are?
Pardon me. I was a student then.
So you stopped you from making Ghanaian friends?
No, like.
You're a racist.
No. But I have a Ghanaian friend though. I have a Ghanaian friend. Yeah, that's one.
If you are watching and you are Ghanaian and you are her friend, she's denying all of you. She's denying all of you.
I said I have a Ghanaian
You said A, just one. You have just one Ghanaian friend. Sound out there.
You see, let me say something.
Or you don't call everybody your friend. That's what you're trying to say. So you have acquaintances.
Yes.
In Ghana.
Yes.
But you have a singular friend.
Yes.
Male or female?
Female.
Female.
Why are you looking at me?
The whole Ghana, you have just one female friend.
You have started.
Why you laugh?
Must you laugh?
Why you laugh?
What they funny you?
Your in-toes hairstyle.
Use your mic on your head.
Make nobody move to me. Where my mic did. Make nobody move to me. It just they show how Ghanaians be more creative past Nigerians. Even this your hairstyle is a Ghanaian hairstyle.
Who says so?
It is.
Who says?
Do you have a name for it in Nigerian language?
Yeah, I just created the hairstyle.
You created it?
Yes, I'm not seeing anybody do it.
You know what? We get even though we in toast, they call it amo.
So
where we get some pepper one be that one be slim. We be very
Ghanaians that do it.
You don't have a name for it, which means it originated from here. You know it's called in toast.
No, someone called it in toast.
Ogoni.
Someone called it in toast. That's how you people call it. Who has the way of calling it?
Ndile. I'm okay.
What ndile?
Ndile.
Ndile.
You said ndile. That's what you told me.
I didn't say ndile.
Ndile.
What's ndile?
But what did you say?
Ndile.
She did change that thing. No. Delay. When she say ndile, she say what? Ndile.
If you like, be delayed.
You said you don't know if you can choose between Nigerian men and Ghana men.
Yeah, I can't.
Fair enough. Ghana music or Nigerian music?
Nigerian music. Why? Ghana music. I think.
Did you say Nigerian music?
I said Nigerian music and Ghana music.
Both?
Yes.
Why?
Because I like them differently.
You can't choose between the two?
Yeah. It all depends on the mood that I'm in.
Okay. Davido, Burna Boy, Whiskey.
I love Davido.
Why?
I love his personality. It's not about
not the music, personality.
That's what the music.
Music-wise, who would you?
I don't know.
Why you don't like their music?
Yeah, I hardly even listen to them. Yes.
Oh, who's your favorite Ghanaian musician?
Who sang this song? I used to, but no. I wouldn't say musician, but I would say music.
Which song?
I.
Do you know the song you are singing? Who sang that song?
Kwabena.
And who?
I don't know, but I know.
So he did it with Samini.
Oh, okay.
So that is your favorite Ghanaian music.
Yes, and you know, back then when I was in Ghana, I would play it very loud, very very loud.
Wait, to if you say you like the song because of the lyrics or just
No, the beats.
the beats.
Yes. If you know me very well, you know I love music.
And that
good
song,
music.
That song.
I love the beats.
That song is your favorite.
Ade. It's a good song. I.
Odo yedu. Odo yedu. Chebe me odwe. Do you know like? And then you made a baby groovy. What are you saying?
Me, my.
It's okay. So why did you leave Nigeria?
Back to Ghana. Actually came for a visit. I didn't intend to relocate, but on getting to Ghana, I realized there were opportunities I could harness. Okay. You know, Nigeria, I like business now. So when I saw some business opportunity, I'm like, okay, let's give this a try. And that was why I stayed back. So it wasn't planned. It wasn't planned. And I think Ghana has also helped my YouTube channel. Yes. I would say I've experienced a dramatic change or growth on my channel because of the Ghanaian content. So I gave it to Ghana.
Okay. Finally, before you go, since you couldn't choose between Ghanaian men and Nigerian men, what do you look out for in a man if you're going to be in a relationship with anybody?
Someone that is God-fearing is very important. And you see,
why do you people always say God-fearing? So did you
because it's not about
Mala not they qualify?
No, Mala. It's not about just going to church. It's about having a personal relationship.
So Mala not they qualify?
How? I'm a Christian. How will I marry Mala? No, I'm asking you.
But Malams, everybody they worship God. Traditional
yes,
religion,
I know
they
the
still
God.
give reverence to God.
Yes, I know the God that I
serve.
They
even have a more personal relationship with God. I mean, according to
yes, I know the God that I serve, and I know my belief. And anybody I'm going to marry has to.
So Babalao no go fit.
You are not serious. So what are you saying? So like not just God fearing, but have a personal relationship with God and someone that is caring, someone that is loving, someone that looks out for people, because it's not just about you, it's about how the person treats other people also. So it's very important for me to know that this person also have good relationship with people out there. So yeah, others are personal between me and my God.
So all you've just said is God-fearing, caring. That be all you need.
That's why I said all that is between me and my God. I want to put everything out here.
Oh, we want to know. We want to know.
But I won't.
Between you and your God, if you're looking at the man, what does
when I see the man, like, I know what.
Does the man need to be nice or ugly? I mean, we want to know.
Do you like ugly sons?
Are you me?
Do you like ugly?
Are you me? Let's continue.
And you should have money.
You should have money. So God-fearing, caring. But you don't care whether the person is nice or not. Do you like tall guys or short guys? So. Do you like tall guys?
Short people have temper issues.
Is there any evidence that people? So indirectly, you like tall guys.
Have height. Don't be short, please.
How? What is short? If the person's height is like you, the person's short.
I don't know.
They must be taller than you.
Mustn't be. But truth.
You just don't like. Okay, we all know one short person in Ghana.
Who?
Like, so looking at that person.
Who is the short person?
I don't want to mention.
Don't call your president.
Hey.
When is this speech? Is that people that used to say short man?
So you are saying our president is short. So must the guy be as short as or taller than the president?
Which kind of question is that?
You are the one.
This interview will end. So for me, when it comes to qualities, the most important thing is the person should be God-fearing. And for the other qualities, it's not just all about that.
Okay.
It's not just all about that, whether physically, whether tall, whether dark, whether fair.
Doesn't matter.
It's not like it doesn't matter. We all have preferences. Okay. But when it comes to reality...
But I want to know your own.
Why do you want to know my preference? Why do you want to know my preference?
Why don't you want anybody to know your preference?
Because it's between me and God.
How is it between you and God?
Yes.
Your preference?
Yes. When it comes to choosing a man, my preference is between me and God. When I see the person, I will know.
I think you should let people know so that somebody who is not your preference will not come and waste his time.
No, but you see, even if I list out, I want the person tall, I want the person short, I want the person dark, fair, fat, slim, those things that you actually mapped out may not be what God has actually mapped out for you.
Stop being diplomatic.
I'm not being diplomatic.
So you don't get your own taste.
I said I do.
So let us.
But I am not going to outrightly say the person must be like this, because you don't even know what.
Do you have a favorite food?
Yes, I do. But when it comes to marriage,
you can say your favorite food is this.
Yes, but when it comes to marriage, it's different. So many people that are married.
I don't even talk marriage. I just asked you, what do you look out for in a man?
Yes, and when I'm looking, at my age, I'm looking out for a man.
But you date the man first.
Even if I want to be with a man, the end result should be marriage. I'm not there to go and play.
It may or may not end up in marriage.
Like that should be my aim.
You still start from the point where you have to assess the guy, whether the guy meets your preference. The end
result should be that.
Yeah, it should be that. I mean, there's no argument. It's a simple question, no.
Staga, I told you that I don't want to tell the world the qualities I am looking for
I'll be your taste.
You know, Stagalicious, go away. Which kind of question be this? People, please, what's wrong with this guy? I said I don't want to say anything about.
Are you racist? You don't like Ghanaian men?
What? See problem. I said I don't want to say. Am I your taste? I don't want to say.
Okay, looking at my height and everything, am I your taste? I mean, physical appearance, not even the God friend or anything.
You are not ugly. Are you ugly? You are not ugly. You are
so am I your taste? If a guy like me approaches you, would you like give the guy a chance?
You can't be diplomatic with me. You can't be corny trying to find out.
You're the one. We just want to know your taste.
I say I don't want to say it out. Yes, you are allowed.
Nigerian people are not straightforward. Ghana man will tell you. Ghana girl will tell you. Yeah, this is my preference. Yeah, a Ghanaian girl will tell you this is my preference. Ghanaian girls are very vocal about that. They will let you know right now. I want a tall guy. I want a dark guy. I want a guy with money. I want a guy.
It's not about being
Nigerians. You see how you people are.
It's not about being a Nigerian or a Ghanaian. It's my personal. Yes, it's my personal decision.
You are still Nigerian.
But you can't target on Nigerians.
It is Nigerians.
It is me. I don't.
That is why Black Stars are better than Super Eagles. Mention one Nigerian footballer before we leave.
I don't. JJ Okocha.
Current footballer.
I don't know. I'm not a football fan. Oh, seriously. The only footballer that I know is Mbappe.
Okay, so before you go, I want you to tell our viewers, I mean, any advice or one thing you'd want to tell anybody. I mean, what advice do you have for the youth out there?
Okay. It's not easy out there. Let's be factual. No matter how, people come out, dress up, do their makeup, do their hair, looking all pretty out there, it's not easy. That is a fact. So if you're looking at someone driving a car, looking all good, and you feel it's all rosy for the person and you're mounting pressure upon yourself, please hold up. Take a deep breath. You are in competition with no one. You are just in competition with yourself. You just need to be a better version of your own self. And don't forget to always pray, because the fact that you are alive, it's God. So we can have plans for the future. We might have plans for tomorrow. It's only if we are alive to execute the plans tomorrow. So in everything, be thankful to God. It's not easy out there, but God got you. Thank you.
Yes, so BEFE, you have a YouTube channel.
Yes.
BEFE Space. I mentioned it earlier.
Yeah.
So you can check out her videos. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. check out BEFE's page on YouTube. And do well to share your comments also on her channel. Like her channel, subscribe, and share her videos. You enjoy it.
Thank you.
Yeah. So as BEFE said, you're not in any competition with anyone. Your competitor is yourself. So just strive to be better than yesterday. Work hard, work smart, and keep God first. As BEFE said. BEFE.
Yes.
Thank you for coming through.
It was nice shooting with you. This my
your hair, no.
What is it with my hair? What?
I will head you. Relax.
See, yeah, on camera.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Into your pong. What's what you say?
Me too. Me too.
Okay, so thank you everybody for sticking around.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us today on this episode. It's still Chale what happened with Stagger. We had BEFE here with us today. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Please share and like our videos. Until the next episode, stay blessed. Bye-bye.
Bye.